Hello everyone. Now we are going to cook spaghetti noodles instead of bihon or super bihon pancit. We are going to use spaghetti noodles. Now these are my ingredients: garlic, sliced onions, chicken balls cut into small pieces. I have also here carrots, sweet peas, cabbages, and we have also soy sauce for seasoning and for the taste. I use olive oil for sautéing. Then I have also the black pepper, powdered black pepper. I have also here Hunner soup, or this is the one we are using here as Nor cubes. This one. Then I have also prepared a little bit hot water for the sauce or for the soup when I will cook this one. Now I have already prepared the bok and put the olive oil, a little bit only oil, in sauteing. Since it is already hot, I use the garlic first. Garlic. Since the garlic is about to finish cooking faster, I use to put the onions, sliced onions. The chicken balls I already cooked before in frying pan, and this is the one I use here instead of meat or chicken meat. I use this. Now I have to put it now, combined already with the sauteed onions and garlic, and a little bit mix it because this one is already cooked. I cook already this one in air fryer. Then we have to put a little bit soy sauce, a little bit pepper for the aroma. Since the chicken is already cooked and now is already sauteed, I have first to put the carrots. After the carrots, I have to wait a little bit if it is already a little bit cooked, but we don't need to make it overcooked because vegetable is more better half cooked and not overcooked. Then I can already also put the sweet peas and the cabbage together. Then continue mixing until the vegetable is already cooked. Later we need to put a little bit soy sauce or taste it before we put it, and the small chicken noodle. and taste it. So we have to finish cooking this. When it is already about to cook, because we don't need to make it overcooked, we can already put them later the spaghetti noodles.